Welcome guys, so today I'm gonna show you how you can fix the problem when your FreeBuds Pro 2 doesn't make any sound when you are trying to listen some kind of the music or any stuff, for example from the YouTube. So this method works in my case, and I find out that's very simple. You have to open the settings on your phone, you have to go for the Bluetooth, of course you have to turn on the Bluetooth, you have to be also connected with your FreeBuds Pro 2. Then you have to tap on this settings button and enable this switcher from the media audio. When you make it, right now all of the sound will come through your earphones, and that's very simple actually. Of course there's also another way. Just take a look if you really enable the music, video and games sound with the slider on the volume on the sound settings. So yeah, that's two methods how we can fix it, and it works in my case, and I hope it will also work in your case. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.